Hey everybody, it's Chauncey Hutter Jr. again. I'm with Real Tax Business Success. Really excited about how we are helping people in many areas of their tax business. One of the areas that's really key is this next question: how can I reduce the stress in my tax office? And that's a very broad question, but I want to answer it in a couple ways. I think, in my personal opinion, you have to adopt a personal philosophy of stress before you can try to play this out in your office. And so once you, as the owner, have decided what the ground rules are, how you're going to run your business, I call it defining the terms. When you define the terms of how you want your office to run, what your employees' responsibilities are, how the phone is answered, what happens when a client walks through the door, when the actual services happen in your office, when you provide tax services or whatever the other services they are, what is your involvement and what are their involvement? And I'll take this one step further, and what is the expectations of the client when they walk in or when they call in, and how does it involve you? What I've found is most professionals in the tax industry want to, either by accident or they do it on purpose, have all the business revolve through them. And this causes obviously a lot of stress. And obviously during tax season, when all your clients are coming in a 3 or 4 month period, it's very stressful on you. So having responsibilities clearly defined by you as the owner to the staff, what they can and can't do, in writing by the way, and then what clients walking through can and can't do. And that might sound strange to you, but it's not strange actually. If you are the business owner, people have the freedom to choose you over some other tax business. People actually, this is inviting to them, for them to understand how things work the way you do it. And by defining these terms, you will do a much better job of positioning yourself as an authority. One of the things I like to explain to tax professionals is each position in your office should have some type of position, and there should be a position of in the front, in the middle, in the back of who's responsible for what. And it's my opinion. Now, if you're by yourself, does not apply, and you have to just do it all. But if you need to hire somebody to help do some of these things, whether you got 1 or 2 people working for you part time, or you got a staff of 30 or 40. Or as I used to have 440 employees over 24 locations, whatever your size, however big it is, you have to decide when these people can talk to you. When I say these people that are working for you, you have a supervisor, you have a manager. Even if you don't, even if you're running the show, you have to give them a certain amount of responsibility, a certain amount of decision. You got to tell them these are the 10 places where you can make the decision, and it's your judgment call. Only after, do not come to me. Too many times, especially in the tax season, people are coming to you, they're wasting your time, you can't get anything done, and you have not properly defined when they're allowed to come to you, when they can't. I give this as a strategy to some of my coaching clients, to actually have times during the day when you as the owner, the way they've set it up, there are always going to be questions that pop up, but they don't need to be asked right when that question comes up. So you can take a 30-minute slot and actually in the mornings go around with your staff and answer their questions. There's a 30-minute window and then there's a 30-minute window at the end of the day when they can go around and ask you some questions. And as questions arise, they just make notes and they have their list when they see you. Do not let everybody have access to you and ask them their questions all day long, or you're never going to get any work done. If you enjoyed this short nugget of information on how to maximize your success in your tax business, you probably want access to about 20 more. I've recorded them on a variety of different topics. You can go to taxmarketing.com/free videos and get access to this information. Again, that website is www.taxmarketing.com/free videos. Thanks.